Hey everyone, it's Sam and Diana, and today we're going to talk to you about how to use this cash flow formula to go from where you are today to where you want to go in the future.
So I think a lot of it starts with the mindset, right? With what you want, what do you envision for yourself? I talk to I've personally talked to some people who are scared to do this because they feel like it's not a steady stream of income. What if sometimes you don't get people? What if you don't? So I think it really starts with actually envisioning what you want for your business and preparing a plan for yourself. I think preparation goes a long way, but believing that you can get there is important.
Yeah, a lot of people just have fear, right? Like you gotta get rid of that fear, and you gotta really think about what you want and why you want that, right? And once you know what you want and why you want that, the other part is just how you get there, right? And the how is easy. The how is the part you go and learn and figure out, right? That's the ability we have. So you just got to get rid of the mindset and how this is not going to work. And to be honest, we had the same skepticism towards, creating cash flow using Airbnb or short-term rentals until we had a pain, until we had a problem where, we heard it a few times, but the fourth or fifth time where we heard it, we actually heard it at a time where we had a problem, and this happened to be the solution to that problem. So it doesn't have to be that way for you. It doesn't have to be a problem for you to become this opportunity. Why don't you just take what we're telling you right now and either turn your traditional rental properties into short-term Airbnb, or start investing in properties that you can create cash flow using Airbnb and then take advantage of the equity growth as well.
Just turn your fear into excitement.
Don't
let fear stop you from doing something, and don't let people stop you, because majority of people are very skeptical.
Don't listen to people that have not done it.
Yeah.
Right? Even if sometimes I used to listen to people that used to tell me how this doesn't work, and I still do. When I talk to some people, they'd right away tell me, oh yeah, my buddy Alex did that and it didn't work.
Yeah.
So my question is that Alex researched how to create cash flow using Airbnb. Did he understand how Airbnb works? Did he educate himself? So we've done that, and we can tell you firsthand that by educating ourselves, it allowed us to set ourselves apart and really create positive cash flow using Airbnb, either with our traditional long-term rentals or with the new properties we're buying, and turning the properties that were not possible before into positive cash flow now. And then when we run out of money to buy houses, then we don't want to stop. We want to still create cash flow. So then we go and rent properties from landlords, and we get their permission to allow us to put these properties on Airbnb. So think about it. You don't even need to own the land. Just like Airbnb. Airbnb is basically, they've been in the business for 9 years, and their net worth is $32 billion. Hilton has been in the business for 99 years. Almost 100 years, and that their net worth, guess what it is? It's 22 billion. So it's 10 billion less. So what? And Airbnb doesn't own any property. So
yeah.
So that's why you got to be listening to these voices and disruptors. So we hope you like these videos. If you do, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification, and make sure you share it with people that would benefit. Thank you. Hey, if you're interested in creating cash flow using Airbnb, but you're too busy like us and you don't have the time to do all of these things, we have created a Mastermind workshop where we're going to teach you how to automate the whole process, where you can literally make thousands of dollars every month consistently using Airbnb and your smartphone to run this whole business on the side. So go to the URL below and you'll find out more about our Mastermind and how it's going to help you build a better future for you and your family. Thank you.